Good morning, children. Sairam. How are you, children? I hope you all are fine and good at your places. Children, welcome back once again in your online computer class. Children, in the last video, we have completed chapter number 5, Applying Formatting Effects. Now, today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 6, and leaving a presentation part 1. Children, in this chapter we will discuss the following topics. The first topic is applying animation effect. The next topic is adding transition, and lastly we will discuss about adding sound clips. Okay, children? Clear? Now, children, a slideshow is an on-screen presentation of information or ideas presented on slides. Children, slideshow enforces the ideas, comments, solution or suggestions presented in the slide. Children, adding special effects to a presentation increases its impact on the audience. Clear? Now, children, come to the first topic is applying animation effects. Children, the ability to move objects and text in all directions of the slide is called animation. Okay, you can animate the text or objects in a presentation by applying sound effects or visual effects including movement. Okay, children, animation is a very useful when you wish to focus on important points. Okay, children, it also controls the order of flow of information and helps to increase the audience interest. Okay, children, so the animation is a very important thing whenever you are making the presentation. It makes your presentation attractive. Okay, children. Now, children, look at the screen. To make the specific changes to the movement of text and object, first of all open the custom animation task pane. Open any presentation, then open animation tab. After that, click on custom animation button. Children, the custom animation task pane appear. Okay, after that select any object and click on add effect button. Okay, one option is there, add effect, you have to click there. Children, a drop down menu will appear with 4 options. Number 1, this entrance, then emphasis, then axis, exit and motion path. You have to take the effect from these options. Okay, children. Now, children, choose the desired setting for the directions, speed, etc. under modify section. Okay, and observe the preview. You can see your animation effects in the preview. After that, apply other options from the add effects button and observe their effects. Okay, children. Lastly, children, click on play button to preview your slide. How to play your slide? Click on play button to preview your slide. Children, one thing you always remember, we can use reorder option to change the order of the different objects. Okay, children. Now, children, look at the screen. You can see this is the custom animation dialog box. Add effects button is there. If you want to remove button is there. Here, click on start. Then if you want to give the direction, click here. Speed, medium, fast or slow, you have to click here. Reorder option is there. and if you want to play it, play button is there and slideshow is also there. Okay children. Now children, the next topic is adding transition. How to add the transition to your slide. Children, transition used to add visual effect to the slide. It will give the visual effects to your slide. Children, transition effects are the moments you see when points slide changes to another in a slide show view. When one slide will follow to the other slide. That time you can give the transition effects. Children, you can apply transition effects to all the slides or the single slide also. Either you can give the single slide transition effect or you can give all the slides. Okay, transition effects. Now children, open any presentation, then select the slide. Okay, after selecting the slide, click on animation tab. After that, transition to this slide group appear on the top. This. Okay. After that, click on more drop down arrow to display all the transition effects. Click on any transition effect from the displayed choice. Okay. Choices are there, you have to choose it. After that, select desired speed from the transition speed. You can give the speed also to the transition. Okay. Clear children? Now children, transition are used to add visual effects to the slide. Children, you can see on the screen, this is the screen of PowerPoint 2007. First of all children, open any presentation. Suppose I have opened this presentation. Now select any slide, click on animation tab. Children, look at the screen. Many menus are there, options are there. You have to click here on animation tab. After that children, transition to this slide group appear on the top. This is the transition to the slide. It is there. After, by default, no transition is applied to each slide. Click on more drop down children. Here these are the drop down, whatever you want to select. These are the transition. Suppose this one, this one, this is the transition effects. Okay children. Now children, this is the drop down. Now children, click any transition effect from the displayed choice. After that, current slide will display a preview of the selected effect. Here children, at the right hand side on the top, these options are there. Select desired speed from the transition speed. Here children, you can select the speed, either fast, medium. This is the medium. Suppose you want to select slow transition speed, then this speed will come. You have to select this option, transition speed. After that, select the transition sound. Whatever sound you want to select, this sound will come. Suppose this click. Okay, any sound you have to select. Okay, and then select advanced slide on mouse click. If you want to click the mouse click, this presentation will open by mouse click, then you have to click it, otherwise leave it. And after that, automatically after, if you want to show your slide automatically, then click here 0. If you want to select your slide automatically after 1 second or 2 seconds, you have to select here. By default it is 0. Okay, this is automatically after checkbox. If you want to slide to advance automatically to the next slide. Now children, click on apply to all. This is apply to all. Now children, apply to all button to apply the selected effect on all the slide, otherwise those effects will be applied on the current slide only. Okay children, this is the animation. Okay children, you can also apply transition effects in slide sorter view. Open animation tab and select the desired slide transition effect. This is the animation option and select any transition effects. Okay children. Now children, come to the next topic, inserting sound clips. Okay children. Now children, you can add sound also in the form of music or special effects to give importance to certain points. Music or sound can added from the files saved on your computer, internet, recorded sound, or from the other CD-ROM. Okay, you can give music, sound from the either from the internet or from the your computer, or recorded sound, or from other CD-ROM. Okay children. Children, look at the screen. You can see this is the inserting sound dialog box. This is the sound option. You click here. After clicking, these options will come. You have to select the sound file. Sound from the file, sound from the clip organization, recorded sound, anything you want to choose. Okay. Now children, look at the screen. First of all, select the slide and click on Insert tab. After that, select the sound drop down arrow in the media clip group. Choose the sound from file option. Insert sound dialog box will appear, which I have already shown you. Insert sound dialog box will appear. Insert sound from the file. Select the required sound file and click on Open. Children, MS Office PowerPoint dialog box appears asking how do you want the sound to start in the slideshow. Click on When Clicked button. Okay. A small icon of speaker appears on the slide. I have already shown you the speaker icon, small icon appear on the slide. Double click on the speaker icon to play the sound. Okay children. Look at the screen children. This is the screen of insert sound dialog box. Okay. You have to choose the file, sound file. Okay. Select it and then open. Okay. Now children, at last I will tell you some notes. The important points you have to remember always. You can also apply transition effects in slide sorter view. Open the animation tab, select the desired slide transition effect. Next is to continue play any sound, click on speaker icon on the slide. The sound tool menu opens, select loop until stopped. Checkbox in the sound options group on the options tab. Okay. And lastly, the recorded sound files are assigned the extension .wav. This is the extension of recorded sound files. Okay children, I hope you all are understanding about how to make the presentation more attractive, about the transition or animation effect or sound clip. Okay children, we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.